Yo, what up? Today I'm gonna teach you how to take off a hat. If you're having a problem where you have a hat on top of your head and you don't know how to take it off, today I got you. What you're gonna need for this is a hat on top of your head and hands and a brain. To be honest, that's all you need for this. Um, so what you wanna do is really just look at where it is, grab your hand, take control of your hand or fingers. Just snatch it up, pick it up, snatch it off, and slide right off. Really easy. I don't know what you call this, hat, snapback, whatever you call this, but I'm just call it off hat. And that's really how you take off a hat. Really that easy, simple. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Subscribe, like, comment how to ideas I should do next. I will do them. I got you. 2025, 2026. I'm taking over this. Believe that. Y'all take care.